Are you an absolute exercise beginner who is ready to try some cardio workouts? Well, this video is totally for you. Cardiovascular exercise, sometimes referred to as cardio or aerobic exercise, is necessary for optimal health. It raises your heart rate and causes your blood to beat more rapidly. It helps your heart and lungs stay healthy by delivering more oxygen throughout your body. Cardio activity can also aid weight loss, improve sleep quality, and lower your risk of chronic disease, especially for beginners like you. What if you don't have time to go for a daily run or don't want to go to the gym? You can still perform various cardio exercises at home. So stay tuned because we'll also give you some of the activities you can do in your home. Welcome to Health Fruition. In this video, we'll talk about cardio workouts for beginners to increase their speed and build their endurance. Let's work this out. Here are 3 basic cardio workouts for beginners. Number 1, 13-minute walking workout. This walking workout is ideal if you're new to walking and want to take it slow and easy. It takes no equipment other than a good pair of shoes and may be done outside or on an elliptical machine indoors. Feel free to modify the program to meet your current fitness level. Timetable: 3 minutes for warming up at a relaxed pace. 4 minutes for increasing your speed so that you're working harder while still being able to talk. 3 minutes for slowing down a little. 3 minutes for cooling down. Slow down to a comfortable rate. After your cardio, try a stretching session to build flexibility and relax. Number 2, 10-minute bike workout. Whether you're just getting started or want to switch things up, the stationary bike is a terrific option weather. Bikes provide resistance rather than your body weight to work against, allowing your body to adjust to training without impact. The bicycle may be the ideal place to start if you have joint difficulties. Adapt this workout to your current fitness level. Timetable: 3 minutes for warming up, slowly and gently, keeping the resistance low. 4 minutes for increasing the resistance by a few steps to work hard while still being able to speak. You'll start to feel it in your legs, so take it easy if you're getting too hot. 3 minutes for cooling down, lowering the resistance, and slowing down to a comfortable rate. After your cardio, try a stretching session to build flexibility and relax. Number 3, basic cardio endurance. You're ready for a 35-minute cardio endurance workout if you've built up your time with the beginner routines. This basic endurance training will help you at moderate intensity while altering your settings to keep things fresh. On the perceived exertion scale, you'll be rotating between levels 5 and 6. The difference is minor, but level 6 pushes you further out of your comfort zone. To notice the difference, pay attention to how you feel. One of the following cardio equipment can be used for this workout: elliptical, stationary cycle, rowing machine, ski machine, spinning cycle, and treadmill. You might also try one of the outdoor cardio workouts: bicycling, rowing, swimming, running, skiing, and brisk walking. Here are 8 easy cardio exercises that you can perform at home. Number 1, high knees. Since this workout entails jogging in place, it might be done anywhere, including in your home. Here are the steps. Number 1, stand up with your arms at your sides and your legs together. Number 2, lift one knee to your chest. Lower your leg and do the same thing to your other knee. Number 3, pump your arms up and down while alternating knees. Number 2, butt kicks. High knees are the polar opposite of butt kicks. Rather than lifting your knees high, you'll elevate your heels toward your butt. Here are the steps. Number 1, stand with your arms at your sides with your legs together. Number 2, bring one of your heels up to your butt. Lower your foot and repeat the process with the opposite heel. Number 3, continue pumping your arms and alternating your heels. Number 3, lateral shuffles. Lateral shuffles boost your heart rate while increasing your coordination from side to side. Here are the steps. Number 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Knees and hips bent, and stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slightly lean forward and brace your core. Number 2. Lift your right foot, push off your left foot, and keep your form as you move right. Number 3. Your feet should be together. Shift your weight to the right. Number 4. Repeat the process on the other side. Shuffle left and right for the same space to evenly work both sides. Number 4. Crab walk. The crab walk is a fun activity to get your heart rate up. It also works your back, core, and legs while strengthening your upper arms. Here are the steps. Number 1. Sit on the floor with your feet flat. Place your hands on the floor, fingers pointing forward, under your shoulders. Number 2. Raise your hips from the ground. Backward walk, using your arms and legs, equally distributing your weight between your arms and legs. Number 3. Continue walking backward for as long as you want. Number 5. Stand in oblique crunch. This low-impact cardio exercise is perfect for beginners. You'll activate your side core muscles as you lift your knees on both sides. Here are the steps. Number 1. Your feet should be shoulder-width apart. With your elbows pointed outward, place your hands on the back of your head. Number 2. Bend to the right and raise your right knee while lowering the right elbow. Number 3. Return to your original starting position. Repeat on the other side. Number 6. Speed skaters. This exercise's sideways movement is similar to that of a skater. When you move to the side, add a jump for added difficulty. Here are the steps. Number 1. Begin in a curtsy lunge with your right leg diagonally behind you and both knees bent. Straighten your left arm and bend your right arm. Number 2. Push off your left leg and forward with your right leg. Switch arms and bring your left leg diagonally behind you. Number 3. Keep skating to the left and right. Number 7. Jumping jack. Jump jacks is a great way to get a full body workout. This traditional exercise engages your entire body while raising your heart rate. Here are the steps. Number 1. Stand with your arms at your sides and your legs together. Number 2. Slightly bend your knees, jump, and extend your arms aloft, spreading your legs wider than shoulder width. Number 3. Return to the middle and repeat. Number 8. Toe taps. This simple, low-impact exercise may be performed on a curb or a bottom step of a staircase. Here are the steps. Number 1. Place yourself in front of the curb or staircase. Place one foot on top of the other, toes down. Number 2. Switch legs quickly to bring the other foot to the top. Alternate feet as needed. Number 3. Move left or right while practicing toe taps as you grow adjusted to the movement. Cardio exercise for beginners like you is good for your heart, lungs, and muscles. You can do it anywhere, and you don't have to leave your house to incorporate it into your workout. Always warm up and take it gradually while trying a new move. So what do you think of these cardio workouts for beginners? Are you trying some of these? Well, let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your experience with your cardio workouts. If this helped you on your cardio journey as a beginner, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to Fruition.